Hello, my friends. Some mornings are just asking for a softer way to begin. If you woke up today feeling a little bit low or perhaps a little bit stiff in your joints, this 15-minute practice will help to soften that tension, awaken your body, and bring a quiet sense of energy into your day. Join me and let's practice together.
Imagine how different you would feel with more energy, mental clarity, and relaxation every single day. Consider joining my membership site. You will get access to a brand new 30-day Qigong journey, plus exclusive members-only practices to build consistency and deepen your practice from the comfort of your home. Click below to begin your transformation today.
Let's begin in a comfortable standing position. Just settling in, listening to the sound of nature, and preparing for a peaceful, gentle practice. Let's take a nice deep breath in as we gently open the body, begin to wake up. Reach tall, opening from your feet all the way to your fingertips. And then release it down, letting go of tension and softening into the body. Inhale as you gently open the chest, reach up. Finding yourself tall. And releasing slowly. Letting the body soften. Continue with your breath. Keeping your spine nice and tall. Release. Few more times. Try not to force the stretch. Try to surrender. Try to gently wake up the body. You can do even that. That feels very good. Almost like a cat stretching first thing in the morning. Just feeling the body and release all that. And again, one more together. Open, open, open. If it feels right, open one side. Gently from the foot all the way to the top. One more stretch and soften. Very good. And then from here, we're going to breathe in as we raise the hands up. And exhale as we sink in the way down. Finding some neutrality through the lower back, through the spine, and softness in our movements. Inhale. Exhale. Notice that the 3 joints in your lower body and the 3 joints in your limbs, in your upper body, beginning to awaken, beginning to move. Breathe in. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, ankles. Feel the body rising on an inhale. Feel the body softening on an exhale. And again, breathe in. Breathe out. From here, lift your arms, open the chest. Sinking down. Light engagement across your arms to open the heart meridian. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And paying attention to the softness and roundness in the movements in your joints. One more time. Very good. From here we cross the hands to separate clouds. We exhale, sinking the way down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to open through the chest, through the shoulders, as well as release and tightness from the middle back. Gentle activation of the upper body. One more time. Very good. And then from here, we're going to transition. We're going to open over the head, allowing the shoulders to stay soft. And we open sideways. Beautiful activation for the ribs, creating more space in the sides of the body. Allow yourself to remain comfortable and soft and gentle. And one more time on each side. Come into center. Allow the relaxation to comfort your body, letting go of any muscle tension. Grounding, grounding, grounding. From here, we're going to swing and circle the hands. We continue that fluidity through the joints, through the structure. Inhale, shift the weight to one side. Exhale, brush it down. We're aiming for a relaxed upper body and a strong connection through the feet, through the navel center, through the core. Opening through the shoulders. One more this way. And then reverse direction, lift and brush it down. Lift, circle around. I like to visualize the movement of water, the cycle. The water evaporates into clouds. Cloud carry water. Rain falls, filling up the oceans and the lakes. And you have that exchange of energy, continuous flow. Brush it down, lift. Very good. One more time. Coming back. From here, feel free to adjust your feet so you feel like you're anchoring rather than bracing. Anchoring through the feet, dropping the weight, and we go into the beautiful spinal wave. Avoid forcing and pushing through. Prioritizing comfort, fluidity, and feeling awareness that comforting sensations through the spine, through the back. Notice how the three joints in the lower body is moving together along with the three joints in your upper body, in your limbs, shoulders, elbows, wrists, fingers. This gentle movement allows us to circulate the blood, the fluids, the energy, at the same time preserving, nourishing our batteries, our energy internally. Very good. A few more times. Good. Begin to slow it down. Come into center. And check in with yourself. This is almost the best part. How your body feels. Notice your state. Feel the joints. Feel the spine, the back, the chest. Feel a quiet sense of energy awakening. And we're going to take a nice deep breath in, gathering energy from all around us and pouring it down, gathering our attention on the physical body. We breathe in, taking the fresh oxygen, fresh energy from the environment, and concentrating it within. And settling in. Hands return to the navel center, the center of our physical health and vitality, nourishment of the physical organs, tissues, bones. And we are concentrating on ourselves, inviting a sense of calm, balance, clarity. And release. Finishing the practice with a smile. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, for sharing your energy. I hope you enjoy this gentle flow. You can practice it when you feel low, when you're recovering, or when you want that extra care for the body, for the mind, and for the heart. As always, I wish you great health and see you in the next video.